In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to XML. We'll walk through this using a simple, clear approach so that by the end, you'll know not only where to click, but also what's actually happening and why it matters. First, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar at the top, type "How to convert Excel to XML" and press Enter. This is a quick way to bring up tools and guides that focus specifically on this task. And it also makes sure you're using up-to-date methods that work with the latest versions of Excel and common online converters. On the search results page, you'll see a number of links, videos, and help articles. What you want to look for is the AI Overview section near the top of the results. This is a special area where Google automatically summarizes useful information related to your search. Go ahead and click on AI Overview. When you do this, you'll usually see a concise explanation of how to convert an Excel file to XML, along with a few suggested tools or step-by-step outlines. This is helpful because it gives you an at-a-glance summary of the overall process before you dive into any specific website or tool. As you read through the AI Overview, pay attention to two main ideas it often highlights. The first is using Excel's own export or save as features, which can sometimes create XML directly from your spreadsheet, especially if you're working with structured data that matches an XML schema. The second idea is using an online converter tool, where you upload your Excel file and download an XML version. If you choose to use Excel itself, the AI Overview may point you toward using the Save As option, then selecting an XML-related format, or mapping your columns to XML elements if your version of Excel supports that. If you lean toward an online converter, the overview will typically list a few popular sites you can click into and follow their on-screen steps. As you explore these options, keep a copy of your original Excel file unchanged, just in case you need to retry or adjust your data. Also, make sure you're comfortable with any online tool you use, especially if your spreadsheet contains sensitive information. By using the AI Overview as your starting point, you get a guided summary that saves time and helps you choose the method that fits your needs best.